Today I'm going to show you the quickest way to remove a screw or a nail from your tire when you're short on time or money. As you can see, we've got a screw in the tire here. Now typically the best thing to do with these would be to take it to a discount tire. Some other tire place, a lot of them will take out something like this that's not on the sidewall, and they'll patch it up for you for free, just because they want you to remember that they did that service for you when you were in need. So usually that's what I'll do. In this case, you can see that the tread's pretty worn on this, and it's just an old tire. It's kind of started to dry rot. So if I took it to a discount, they're probably just going to say, "Hey, you need a new tire. We're not gonna patch it up for you." So I'm going to use this kit. I've used it before. Rubber cement's not totally necessary, but I'm almost out of that. It's a simple kit. You can get it for about $5 at any auto parts store or on Amazon. And I'm going to show you how to use it. Essentially what you're going to do is remove the nail. You're going to use this little rubber strip here with this tool. Fit it in there. Pull it about halfway through. And you're going to shove it in the hole. First, you got to pull the screw out. So, I'm going to go ahead. Yeah, that rubber cement's gone. Hopefully, we'll do this without losing too much pressure. So, I'm going to check the pressure and see what we have. Ooh, we're at about 20 psi. So, I'm about 15 shy of where I want to be, 15 to 20. So, I'm going to pull the screw out, remount the hole, and then shove the new piece of plug in there. You really want to get that cleaned out well so that this will plug it adequately. You try to do this without losing too much air. Especially if you're out on the road. You leave a little bit of it out and then just yank it back. That should seal it up. Grab your handy dandy pocket knife and just cut it flush. There you go. Not the best fix in the world. A patch is definitely better, but if you're in a pinch, especially if you don't have any air, you could drive on this tire. You know, it's down a little lower than it needs to be, obviously, but that'll get you to somewhere where you can put some air in it, a gas station, an auto shop or something. So there's your patch. It's not, like I said, beautiful, but it'll keep you from leaking, and especially if you've got an old tire like this and it's not in the budget to replace it. This fix is going to get you going for only a few bucks. It's a great kit. I need to buy some more because I just used that last one, but it'll keep you from having to do an expensive fix or get to a shop when you don't have time to get to one.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like the video if you found it helpful. Comment below if you have any questions or to let me know what you would do differently. Be sure to check the description where I've got links to a simple tire repair kit like this, as well as a heavy duty one and some tire plugs. Using those Amazon links will help support videos like this and this channel. I do receive a commission on those, so thank you so much if you choose to purchase through those links. And please subscribe if you found this video helpful and would like to see more like it. Let me know what types of things around your home or vehicle you would like to see videos on in the future.